Hello, traders, and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. It is a Wednesday, July 26, 2017. Great to be with you. Coming to you from Pattaya, Thailand. I've got to tell you, the rain has not stopped. The clouds are here. I haven't seen sun in a week. Where's the sun? No sun. And they're saying we have about another 3 days of this. Probably in the weekend we'll see some sun. There's a typhoon that we got the tail end of again, and one left, and another one came right in behind it. So yeah, it's been quite a week and a half journey here with the rain. But yeah, it's wet. All right, what's going on? Well, this market's a little crazy, isn't it? But I have to tell you, and we're going to get into it really quick because I don't want to waste too much time. I got to get this up on YouTube. There's a trade right now that's ready to go, and that is our euro yen. But let's see what's going on in the news first. On a Wednesday, we had New Zealand trade balance came in the green, and that was month on month and year on year for June, and good numbers there. The Aussie has CPI quarter on quarter for Q2 in about 20 minutes, and it also has trimmed mean CPI coming out also. And then RBA Governor Lowe speaks in about 2.5 hours. Moving into later in the day, the Great British Pound's got GDP year on year for Q2 and quarter on quarter also for Q2. It looks like that's coming out. In the U.S., we got new home sales for June, and we got new home sales month on month for June coming out in the U.S. session today. Should be interesting to say the least. Of course, we have our crushing crude oil inventories as every Wednesday we do. Let's see what else we got going on. And that's about it, my friends. Not a lot. Anything in Asia tomorrow we need to be aware of? It's FOMC today. Yes. We have the Fed rate decision. They're not expecting any movement at all. And then, of course, there is a... is there a statement today? Oh, yes, there is a statement. There is absolutely a statement, and it comes out at the same time the decision comes out, which means that it's probably it's pre-done. They're just going to shove it out there, right? All right, what else is going on, my friends? That is it. Let's see what's going on. Gold is down 0.27%. WTI is at 48.38, making its way up. Nice move yesterday, up 1.02%. Brent oil is above 50 once again. Yes. Brent oil is up at 50.58 as we speak. And U.S. coffee is negative 1.49 today. What's going on Wall Street? S&P futures is up 0.02%. NASDAQ is up negative 0.01%. Dow is up 0.04% with the S&P 500 VIX flat across the board. Nikkei 225 is up 0.71, and the Euro index is down 0.03. However, the dollar index is up 0.05. All right, let's get over to the charts, and let's do some jumping around here. Just take a real quick look at this euro here. This trade, like now, it's like, what's going on here, right? What's going on with this trade? This trade's really a wash, right? This trade's like pretty much washed out. Now I like this, that we have a butterfly here. Why don't we take this butterfly to this D leg and then we'll sell it from there? The problem is, remember, I've always said this in this last 2 weeks, that this move with the euro and the pound and all these, the Aussie about the uptick is about the dollar. Well, now the dollar's coming back. So is this now a clue like maybe we should be shorting all these pairs? I think so. So, so we're just going to get rid of all this stuff because I just don't think it's valid anymore. It's just not valid. I do like that fib there, though. I got to be honest with you. But yeah, we'll just get rid of all that. Yeah. So we start fresh. So, we don't want to trade it here, right? You don't want to sell it here. You're coming into the 200 exponential moving average. We don't want to do that, right? So we're just going to wait. Nothing to do on the euro. Just let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And I think tomorrow at this time we should have a pretty good idea, right? All right. This pair is just doing nothing. Look at this. I looked at this yesterday. Look at this Euro Aussie. This pair a year and a half ago was trading 130 to 150 pips every day. Look at this. It's done nothing since last week. Nothing. What? What? Yeah, nothing. Yeah. Here's a pound yen. This is in a nice spot for us, right? Problem is we have this. We have our EMAs right here. So I don't want this to come up a tick, right? I want this to come back up to maybe like 146.60, right? I'm sorry, 148.60. And no, 146.60. Sorry, I can't see this morning. Yeah, we want this to give us an uptick and we'll sell it. Don't want to sell it here. Too much junk, too many EMAs, too much trouble here to sell this. So I don't want to sell it here. I want it to go up a little bit and we'll take it to the downside. All right, let's take a, here's the pound. Not really much here. I would sell this on a breakout of this 200. This breaks below the 200. We get some angle and separation in our EMAs. That's probably a nice sell. One is you have a nice wide open space here. And I love trading in wide open spaces, but this is a nice wide open space right here, right? There's no price action here. This breaks this. This is going to be a nice ride to the downside. Very nice. All right, let's get to the trade of the day. Again, the euro yen. Okay, so this was what we're looking at. So we have this trend line, and we have this D from an old butterfly that's valid, right? This D move, which is it's where the reversal should start, and we should head to the downside. I like that. It's resistance. We got some dojis, got some weak candles here, got a couple of strong ones, but we got a lot of weak ones. Now what I want to see is I want to see this break this trend line. We'll get in this at 130.25. This is not bad. We don't have too much left of the chart here. We got to get through this 55 exponential moving average. That could be a task, maybe. But we're going to get out at 129.70. So by the time we get to this 55, we're going to be pretty close. Well, that's going to be 20 pips in. So that's enough we can get to break even, like +5, right? And just to protect our entries, especially this time of year, right? You don't want to be taking any risks more than you have to. So yeah, so this looks like a nice trade. I like this, and I watched this before I started this recording. That I was seeing if this candle was going to close below the trend line, and it doesn't look like it's going to. But it's got 21 minutes to go, so it might. So that's the trade of the day, the euro yen. I think it's got an opportunity there. Let's take a look at the last one, dollar. This is the dollar yen. I was helping somebody out. I drew these lines all over my charts yesterday. We could take those off. Where are we at here? I don't like that at all. What are we doing here? Come on. Drawing tools. There we go. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, so this is, nice move to the upside. This is going to be the D leg up here for the reversal. But this is nice. It's moving up. We got some angle and separation. Want to see this 55 get on the other side of the 200, the 20 and the 5. And this looks pretty good to the upside. I don't necessarily trade the dollar yen. I have more this year than any before. I use it as a tool, but I think this is a good pair here, just to get us a good idea of what the dollar is going to do. And hopefully it's to the rebound to the upside, right? So things are looking good. Things are looking good in the trading world. And my friends, have a great trading day. And always remember to trade smart and not hard. Traders will catch you tomorrow. Have a great day. From rainy Thailand, we'll see you next time.